Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I've got a pretty cool one for you guys. We're gonna go over 3 different iBlason cases that they were kind enough to send out free for review. Now, of course, I'm getting this video out to you guys before the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro launches. So if you enjoy the video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Hopefully you guys will be able to find a case that you want for your new phone before it arrives. We've got tons of case reviews for the 16 series on our channel, so go check those out. But first, let's go over these iBlason cases. First off, we have the ArmorBox SP in green. We also have the ArmorBox SP in titanium gray. And lastly, we have the ArmorBox SP in black. So let's work our way from left to right. So we'll start with this one here. So we will set this off to the side, and here we are presented with the box itself. Let's open it up, and here we go. So we've got nothing else in the box. We can set that over here, and here is the case. So right off the bat, we have an iBlason extended warranty card. We also have a full little booklet here teaching you how to assemble the case, disassemble the case, how to remove the screen protector if you want, if you don't want it. So we will set that over here to the side. And here we have the case itself. Now, Gul'dan, like I said, is green. This one is a little bit darker than the other Gul'dan that we reviewed, but let's go ahead and peel this right off. I can already see this is gonna be a cool case because they've got the capacitive camera capture button right here. So that's great to see. Instead of having the chunk out like in the sub case, for some reason they just took a whole chunk out, and that looked, in my opinion, not good. And it also lets in dust. So this will be completely covered, which is exactly what you want to see on such a rugged case. Here is the inside of the case, and we'll peel this right off. There we go. Now this is for the regular iPhone 16. So let me pull that into view here. And of course this is a dummy unit, but it is 1-to-1. So everything will work perfectly. We'll go ahead and stick this back in. And wow, check this out, guys. If you need something that's pretty rugged, not adding too much bulk though, with really good grip, great button feel, this might be the one for you, especially considering how they have handled that capture button. They have completely covered it, and assuming that this actually works, I can't tell right now, but this is going to be clutch because a lot of other case manufacturers are just cutting out a hole here, and that leaves your phone a little bit vulnerable. Now down here, you've got good cutouts for your speakers. You also have a covered up USB-C port for charging. You got a lanyard spot right here, and it looks like we have MagSafe as well as a camera cover on the back that doubles as a kickstand. That is awesome to see. Always like to see things like this that protect your privacy, but also protect your camera and work as a kickstand. Let's test out that MagSafe real quick. Grabbing the MagSafe puck here. Okay, 7.4 out of 10, very strong. No issues with that at all. But yeah, there's not much else to say here, guys. This has pretty much everything if you're looking for the full package of just a covered up iPhone case. If you're out working in the field or just really don't want to damage your phone, this is a great case to look at. Check this one out. Let's move on to the next. All right, so next, I believe this is the exact same case, but in black. So we will just take this right out here and show you guys what it looks like. This is literally the exact same case, but in black. So no point in putting this on necessarily, but I will show you guys the design. Check out this pattern design. This actually has texture and grip to it, which I really like the fact that they have put so much attention to detail. We also have the exact same capacitive button right here. I really like that. This black one is super stealthed out too. And even the iBlason logo right there is super hard to see. It's just very subtle. This is a mean looking case. I really like it. But let's test out the MagSafe on this one just to see if, yeah, 7.3 out of 10, very strong. No issues there at all. All right, so let's see what the last case is in store that iBlason has sent us. And I think this one's gonna be a little different because this is their titanium gray. And this is for the Max phone, the Pro Max. So this is a big boy. Oh man, look at this. Wow, that is crazy. Look at that color. That looks so good. I love their titanium gray color. Same booklets right here, but let's go ahead. Let's peel this one open. I wanna see this on the phone. 16 Pro Max going in and putting the back on next. And check that out, guys. Obviously this is an enormous phone, and this case is not making it any smaller. But check out the corner protection on these. Again, just the awesome camera protection and kickstand. It's even got the cutout for the microphone. I mean, they've thought of everything. iBlason cases are always, I'm sure they are hot sellers. And there is that capacitive button. Very cool design with this grip on the side. I really like this case, guys. So check this one out, especially if you are looking for something a little more rugged than your average run-of-the-mill case. Oh, one more thing to mention. The inside of this is padded with like a microfiber-like material, so it's not gonna hurt your camera, so don't worry about that. Anyways, guys, if you're looking for a complete package basically to cover your phone completely, check these out, links to them down below. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.